Welcome to Neural Nexus, your premier destination for exploring the transformative landscape of artificial intelligence. At Neural Nexus, we analyze the most impactful AI tools that are revolutionizing various industries. Our content ranges from content creation and business automation to data analysis and machine learning, offering comprehensive tutorials and practical demonstrations of the leading tools that facilitate innovation. Artificial intelligence is redefining our professional, educational, and creative endeavors. AI-powered tools are becoming essential across numerous domains, enabling task automation, informed decision-making, and enhanced efficiency and creativity. In this series, you will discover the latest AI tools across various sectors, including content creation, automation, data science, and web development. Each episode is crafted to equip you with the insights necessary to successfully integrate these tools into your work or business. We invite you to subscribe and join the vibrant Neural Nexus community. Our commitment is to provide clear, step-by-step tutorials, demos, and actionable advice to help you harness the full potential of AI. Thank you for engaging with us. Prepare to delve deeply into the realm of artificial intelligence. We look forward to your participation in our upcoming videos.